If you want to start a dance career, but you feel a little bit lost and unsure, well, it's okay, you're not alone. The reality is that majority of trained dancers don't even get the opportunity to start out a dancing career. Truth is, without a clear guided roadmap, you're going to get lost in the competition of it all. But don't worry, that's why I'm here to share with you my own personal blueprint to success. It's a roadmap that has guided me throughout my entire career, and it's something that I still use to this day. Hi, I'm Chris Van Doren, and I know firsthand the challenges and also the joys of what it's like to be a professional dancer. See, I've worked on some of the most prestigious and largest productions in the world. I've shared the stage with celebrities like Taylor Swift, and even had the opportunity to be one of Channing Tatum's Magic Mike live dancers in Australia. So, I know the electric feeling of living the dream as a dancer, and my goal today is to help you step forward in the right direction so then you can experience that too through my online course today. In this course, you're going to gain the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive in the dance industry. By the end, you'll be able to build an impressive portfolio, identify your goals, master auditions, and network effectively, getting you started in your professional dancing career. We'll cover key topics such as learning the challenges of the industry, how to approach agencies, and mastering the art of booking more gigs. You'll also learn the importance of perseverance and how to transition from a dancer to an artist. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not going to share with you anything that I don't know. And this course is primarily geared towards people who want to start a career within the commercial dance scene. In saying that, if you're an aspiring dancer who wants to really establish themselves for ongoing work, well, this course will really benefit you as well. Thank you for joining me this far, and I really hope to see you guys inside the course where we can dive deeper into these topics and help you get started living the dream as a professional dancer.